Everyday vocabulary.
Wake up. Brush your teeth. Wash your face. Take a shower. Dry your hair. Comb your hair. Make your bed. Have breakfast. Wash your hands. Get dressed. Go to school. Drive to work. Study. Work. Have lunch. Leave school. Take a nap. Have a snack. Do your homework. Read a book. Play with friends. Listen to music. Ride a bike. Go shopping. Go for a walk. Exercise. Mop the floor. Vacuum. Do the laundry. Iron your clothes. Make dinner. Have dinner. Do the dishes. Watch TV. Take a bath. Go to bed.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.